Okay, so this is day 4 that we're working. Just thought I'd show you some of what we're focused on. This is the water damage on the floor. And it didn't just take the subfloor here, the plywood. It's also taken out the stringers through here as well. Floor joist, if you will. So since this is completely gone, we're going to have to peel back. I think we can pull back. I'm going to try to go 3 foot first, and then after, if we still have damage, then I'll go further. But right now, a sheet of 4x8 will fit right in here with a little bit of work. But you can tell, I mean, that's the stringer that's holding up the floor, and it's completely gone. So that's what happens when you get into water damage in one of these. It really can rack it up for you. So just thought I'd show you one real quick. This, not many times we'll stop and show you a before, but thought it would be important to show you how we're getting it out. Just using the pry bar here. Pry bar will just trying to get under things and just dig it out a little at a time. And then here in a little bit, I'll probably take a circular saw and see if I can just cut off enough that I can get that out. So there you go. It's day 4.